All right, everybody, we're back. Curtis Family Adventures here. We're back in Istanbul, and I know what you're thinking. Man, y'all go to Istanbul a lot. And you're right, we do go to Istanbul a lot because Istanbul is full of adventures. So today we're on a mission to eat famous street food. So we want to take you along with us as we adventure into the streets of Üsküdar here in Istanbul today. Of course, it's Istanbul, the weather is cold, cloudy, but I got the gang all here. Y'all ready, gang?
Yes!
We're excited. Y'all come, follow us today. Let's go.
So we are here in Üsküdar and we're going to take you on a tour of some street food. And one of the things that we want to make sure we have is cash. So with the street food, you definitely want to have cash to pay for everything. Don't worry about, trying to keep up with a card or use a card, because most of these little street vendors are cash only. So Lee is over at the ATM here. All of the ATMs will use foreign cards and let you draw money out. One of the things you do want to make sure is decline the conversion. So they will have instructions in English, but in order to get the best rate, you want to decline the conversion at the ATM so that you get your bank's exchange rate. So just a little pro tip for traveling abroad.
So today we're in Üsküdar, and just for families, our family has been all over the Istanbul since we've lived here in Turkey for the last almost 3 years. We've been to Istanbul a lot. And Üsküdar, we find it as more family friendly. It's still the same sites. You have the Bosphorus right over here to our left. You still have all the street food, but it's not as crowded. It's more family friendly. It's not a lot of pushing and shoving. Istanbul is a host of like 16 million people, so sometimes it can get a little pushy and a little crowded, but Üsküdar is not like that. My friend used to live in Üsküdar, so I used to visit him a lot, and yeah, it's just really family friendly. At the end of the Üsküdar Sahil is a big family park. We'll show you in a little bit. So yeah, we're excited about today. How about you, Isaac? Are you excited? Isaac's excited because he's got a sucker. Our first stop is going to be the famous balık ekmeği, which is a famous Turkish fish sandwich. So come on, let's go try this fish sandwich. They say it's so good here in Istanbul. So we're now on a ferry boat going across the Bosphorus Strait going to Eminönü. We talked to all the locals in Üsküdar about the famous fish sandwich, and everybody told us to go to Eminönü, that was the best place to get a good fish sandwich. So we're on a ferry and now we're going to cross the Bosphorus and go to Eminönü. So y'all come on and let's go get this sandwich that's so famous here in Istanbul. All right. So we just came to Eminönü to get this fish sandwich. It's in the back of us, right here along this bridge, right here on the Bosphorus Strait, where the Golden Horn comes into the strait. Let's go get this fish sandwich. So we just ordered our fish sandwiches and I'm so excited. I've been studying and looking and researching where the best restaurants was for the fish sandwich, and we're finally here and I'm excited to eat it. Are y'all excited, gang? Are y'all excited? Yeah? What about you, Mama?
I'm ready.
Are you?
Yep.
Yeah, so we were just talking and just so thankful and grateful that we get to be able to travel and come to Istanbul. I told Mary and the kids we could come here 2 or 3 years and never ever finish exploring it. It's such a big city and unique, and every area is different. And so we're excited, yeah, today to eat this sandwich, right? And then we're gonna go back to Kuşadası and I'm gonna learn how to make these sandwiches. If you're wondering what kind of fish it is, it's a mackerel. So it's a really good fish that they catch here in the Bosphorus.
It also rhymes with macaroni.
And Isaac says it also rhymes with macaroni. So we're fixing to eat it, and I'm gonna show you a video, and you can watch me as I eat it. Let's go. It looks so good. So good. It comes with onions, and we like this drink called şalgam. It's a spicy fermented black carrot juice drink. That is so good. So here we go. Isaac's gonna record me as getting the first bite. So we're gonna give thanks to the Lord, for He is good. Faithful, love, endures forever. Amen. And we're gonna try it. Here we go.
Here's Daddy, who's been waiting for weeks to try the sandwich.
Y'all ready?
And he's ready. How is it?
So good. Fish has good flavor, that good grilled flavor. Has a fishy taste to it, but a good fishy taste to it, if you know what I mean. I'm excited, so we're gonna eat this.
Salty taste, don't forget.
Highly recommend to come to the Yakub Balık restaurant here in Eminönü. Staff is very friendly, very good. So we're going to eat our fish sandwiches, and then we're going to move on to the next street food. Got finished smashing that fish sandwich, better known in Turkey as balık ekmek, and it was fantastic. It's simple. It's a simple fillet of mackerel on a half. They have loaves here of bread, real loaves of bread, and it's half a loaf of bread. They open it up and they put the fish on the fillet on there with some lettuce, but they also bring you a side plate of onions and lemons and some salt. So put a little salt, lots of onions,
Pepper.
and lots of lemon juice, and it was fantastic. Fantastic. I really liked it. So here we are. We're about to get our street corn and our chestnuts, our roasted chestnuts, in one place. Let's go. Stand by. Evet, 2 tane istiyoruz. 2 tane mi istiyoruz? Tamam, 2 tane. Biz istiyor, 100 gram istiyoruz. Tamam, sana sıcaklardan verelim. Not only are they good, the chestnuts, roasted chestnuts, but you can also wad them up in a bag and put them in your pocket for hand warmers, because it's cold.
Pro tip.
Pro tip, yes, love, thank you. All right, all right, all right. We got our famous corn. Let's get down to it. Isaac, Pippa, y'all ready? Let's go. Hot, roasted with some salt. Wow. Street food at its finest here in Istanbul. Roasted corn. Good kids, baby. All right, Philippa Joy, tell me about the street corn. Is it good? Tell me about it. What's it taste like?
I don't know, just like Dutch popcorn.
All right, roasted chestnut time. Here they're called kastane. So let's see what this chestnut looks like, tastes like. Look how big it is. Wow, it's so big. It's roasted on an open fire.
Chestnuts roasted on an open fire.
Wow. It's good. It's different. It's a little dry, but it's good. Chestnuts on an open fire. Really good. Good choice.
Here.
Coming into the Curtis mom here.
Let's see. I love these.
Let's see. Get down here where I can see that thing. Let me get in there closer. Wow, it's a big one. What's so funny? Is it good? It's a little dry, right? But it's good.
I like it.
You like it? Curtis mom gives it a thumbs up. Yeah. Okay, Curtis kid number one. What you got there, bud?
Giant chestnut.
Giant chestnut. Talk a little louder, bud. It's a lot of...
A giant chestnut.
Okay, I don't know where you got that from. Probably from his mom. Acting silly. Okay, can you get it? There's Pip in the background. She's gonna go through her corner lane. Wow, that's a big one. Okay, get down with it. Tell the people what you're doing with your hand there. Did you shoot? Oh, what's that mean?
Look at Mel.
People don't understand that. Speak English. He speaks Turkish so much. Speak English.
It's amazing.
Amazing! Yay, Isaac! Thumbs up for Isaac. İsim ne? Adı ne? Wow, kaç yaşındasın?
5,5.
5,5. Nerede yatırıyorsun?
Ne?
Nereye yatırıyorsun? İstanbul'da. Wow. Olsur. İsim ne?
Yedi buçuk. İshak. Ne yapıyor? Ben sadece oturuyorum.
So we're about to get our last street food of the day here in Istanbul. We came across to the Üsküdar side and we're about to get simit. This is your simit. It's like a little wheel. It's got, is that sesame seeds on it maybe? Sesame seeds on it. It's fresh. It's really soft and warm. And this is a very, very popular Turkish food here in Turkey. Let's try it. Mmm. So good. It's crispy, warm, and soft at the same time. I'm trying to think about what it tastes like. I better get another bite. Mmm. It's really good. Here? Is it good? It's so good she can't even talk. She don't want to talk. I do all the talking in this family. All right, Isaac and Pippa, they got a little cake. Comes from the same man we get the simit from. Y'all get your piece out and let's see what it tastes like. Come on. All right, Pip, they got these little cakes. Show us what you got. Wow, a little chocolate cake. I asked the man what it's called. He just said cake. Yeah. Take a bite. Tell me what it tastes like. Huh, she said. Isaac, what do you think, bud? He can't even talk. He's just munching on his. He's like Daddy. We just like to get down, don't we? Is it good? Is it good? All right.
Tastes like a cake.
Tastes like a cake. What are you doing? What are you doing? I'm very uncomfortable right now.
I don't feel like this is what you do.
I feel like I'm being violated. Help!
Take a bite of some meat and you put the camera this much in my face with my mouth full. It's extremely uncomfortable.
I think I'm gonna go this way or
I don't mind talking, but I don't talk with my mouth full.
This way.
Cause she's a lady.
My mama taught me manners. Thank you, Mama. I'm trying to teach Isaac and Pippa and Lee. It's not going real well.
That's a good pocket for that. Look at that. She's got a good pocket right there for an extra simit later. That's for the bus ride home. All right, let's go to the house.
It's my lie. I end up carrying everything. Moms are like pack horses.
Mommy, can you hold my water, Dickie?
No.
Let's save this
No.
for the bus stop.
No.